Hello guys and welcome to What is the Output series in Python programming by Amul's Academy. Here in this tutorial I will give you a program. You need to guess the output. After that we'll execute this and I'll explain you the output. Okay. So here is your today's program. You need to pause the video and you need to guess the output of this program. I hope now you have your answer. So we will execute this program now. So answer is true. Whether you got the same answer, if yes, then you know the logic. If not, then I will explain you the program. So this program is based on the true and false value as well as precedence of the operators. Here in the if condition we can see two operators or and. So when the expression contains more than one operator, then there is order to execute this operator, that is called as precedence. Here AND operator has highest precedence than the OR. So first this will execute, after this OR operator will execute. Okay, so first Q and R. So here we can see the value of Q and R variables. Q is 0, R is empty list. So in Python, anything which is empty or 0 or none is treated as false value. Okay, so here Q is a false value as well as R is a false value. Okay, so here false and false. So in the AND operator, if both the operators are false, then output is false. So we'll get false from this. Next, P or false. Here P value is a tuple value and it is not empty. So this is treated as true value. So expression become true or false. So in the OR operator, if any one of the input is true, then output is true. So here P is true, so output will become true. So this condition will become true. And in the if else conditional statement, when the condition becomes true, then only if body will execute. If the condition becomes false, it will execute the else part. Okay, here our condition become true, that's why it will execute if body, so it will print true. Okay, I hope now you understood the program. So that's it for now. I'll meet you in the next tutorial with a new program. Till then, take care.